part 2. Look at my brightness up here. Wow, it's the max brightness and it's this dark. Yeah, it's super dark out here. Wait, I could turn that way more. There we go. There we go. You can see the rain falling. There's a lot of lightning now. Alright, back to the normal setting. This is how dark it actually is in real life right now. The way I got the camera set to. This is how dark it is right now. As of 8 o'clock. This is a monster thunderstorm right now. No supercell or nothing, just dark clouds. I'm concerned about what's going on over here. It's like an invisible line right here. The wind's chilled down. Damn. Check out the lightning down this way. It just flashed right over here. It's lightning everywhere. It's lightning everywhere. I don't even know where to say 50 camera anymore. Now it's just like all over the place. It is still kind of dark this way. Hopefully the sky get lighter soon then. Right now it's super dark. And when I first started recording it was dark, but then now like later in the video it's a lot more darker than before. And the sun doesn't even set yet. It is 8:30 right now. It doesn't set till another. Ooh, that was a beautiful lightning strike. It doesn't set till like 9, 9:10, 9:20. We just got the lightning now. Could be the back of the storm now. Might just be a lot of lightning here. It's pretty light though going on right here. Oh, check this out. It's an outflow. I think it's more this way. I'm paying attention to like this center right here is you see the most lightning at. Might just keep the camera facing this way though. Man, this is so dark. I'm seeing fire. I'm hearing fireworks and thunder. Like, at the same time. I hear a goddamn fire truck. Sound like it's nearby. Is it right here? Oh, never mind. This game is getting closer and closer, I think, for a second. I think I'm free to stand out here. Wow, how dark it is over here. It's all dark over here. This way. Sounds like it's like 2 blocks away from over here. You can hear it from down that way now. Oh, I smell something burning. It's gonna get lighter now. It's pretty light right here. It's really light now. It's dark right here, but it's getting lighter right there. The storm's like pushing like south. No, it's kind of like pushing like north, eastward, kind of like northeast. It's like going, kind of like pushing this direction, like towards the back of my house. Usually we get storms that come from the north. They push this way off to our south, but now we're getting it from southwest. Usually we don't get storms. Well, we sometimes get from southwest, but usually we get it from like northwest or north or northeast. Southeast, we barely get those. And that's probably why it's so dark out here. If I would, like, if it, sky probably would have been that green. Sky probably would have turned to green before they came from the north. Probably would have turned green because of how dark it is. This sky is very dark. It's dark enough to turn green here, especially down there. Jesus. I think it's done. I might go back inside. Yeah, I'm gonna start recording. This is gonna die out soon. I mean, it's still dark as shit, but it's less lightning, less rain. It's lighter this way, and this is going this way, so yeah, I think we're done here. That was a pretty good storm.